show na gagawin niyo? Parang may naisip ba kayo at the background na baka maging controversial siya or questionin, ganyan?
Definitely magiging controversial siya. Kasi yun din talaga yung, ewan ko kung yun talaga yung target ng show, pero para ipalabas mo yung lesbian side, bukod dun sa mga kaibigan nating bading, tingin ko mas controversial talaga yung lesbian. Tapos hindi mo pa alam kung tatanggapin siya kagad ng tao o hindi. Kasi mas madaling tanggapin yung pagiging bading kaysa sa pagiging lesbian. At alam natin yan lahat.
Ako excited more than anything. When I heard that they were coming up with a show that catered to that kind of parang subject, which is being lesbian, ganyan. Vocal naman ako about it ever since. One of my dream roles is to play a lesbian. And parang last year, I was given an opportunity to play it for Magpakailanman. And then, diba, but being in a series is different because you're gonna be in it for months. So when they told me about it, naging vocal ako sa Arte Center. Sabi ko, hey, if they need an additional character, kasi kumbaga alam ko may second chances ako nun eh. Sabi ko, I'd really want to, parang pakisuggest naman yung pangalan ko. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi pagiging butch eh. Kahit ano.
Kahit ano.
Basta part ng show. Tapos parang, naisip ko kasi, uy, perfect opportunity yun na, number one, i-tick off yung dream role ko. And number two, parang maging part ng isang series na groundbreaking for GMA and for the Philippines as well. Kasi hindi pa tayo nagtataka ng ganito eh. Diba? It's the first lesbian series in the Philippines. So, excited ako.
Kahit yata sa movies, wala pa?
Meron din.
Filipino movies, ah?
Meron konti. Pero yung talagang in television na long playing. Wala. So, happy ako when they told me, you're in TRMD. And when I found out that I was gonna be representing the butch community, parang ako, whoa, big responsibility yun for me. Kasi I also got to immerse myself with them.
Oo nga, yung pinuntahan yung, I don't know, private, ano yata.
It's like a private party and forum with our friends from LGBT. So that's when, at first, something as fancy as, hey, I'm gonna be playing a different character, became a responsibility because all of a sudden, naririnig mo na yung totoong side and totoong voice ng mga tao na pinagdadaanan to.
Actually, sa business pa lang natin, sobrang dami na eh. Sobrang, as in, parang hindi mo na kailangan lumabas, kailangan mo na lang silang kausapin. Pero yung magkaroon ka ng, mag-immerse ka dun, mas ibang klase na yun, mas ibang exposure yan. Kasi lahat sila nandun na, tapos dun sa private party na yun, lahat sila all out. Kung paano yung gusto nilang gawin, yun yun. Unlike kapag nandito ka sa show business, medyo tago pa.
Yeah, medyo syempre they're guarded. Most especially, like the people who are like my character, Bachi Luna, because they were explaining to me na ano talaga. Kumbaga parang hindi man halata pero madalas silang mabully. Madalas silang ma-judge, madalas silang matukso. Tas something as simple as pupunta kami ng pelikula kasama ng girlfriend ko. Ano siya? Hindi siya ganun kadali kasi maraming tao talaga na ginajudge sila, ginugulo sila, inaasar sila.
Mas ginajudge ang mga butch, actually. Kasi ako honestly, iba pa rin yung tingin ko eh. Ako inaamin ko na. Iba talaga kahit kasama ko yung mga barkada ko or yung mga kaibigan. Actually, kahit sinong lalaki kapag nakakita ng butch, para kasing nakakatapak ng ego ng mga lalaki yun eh. Alam niyo naman yung ego ng lalaki, sobrang laki. Yung pride,
sana
diba?
Pinuputok yung mga ego ng lalaki. Yan talagang pinakamalaki problema sa mundong to.
Totoo.
Sabi ko lang naman yung totoo.
Oo
Siguro
naman.
kung walang ego masyadong lalaki, this world would be a better place. Sinasabi ko lang bilang butch.
Hindi ba bilang China yan?
Both.